Hey, beautiful day in Reno, Nevada. October 23rd, 2009, about 11 o'clock in the morning. So I wanted to take advantage of this great weather and continue this conversation we've been having about how to address concerns you have about employee performance and employee behavior. Um, I started this video series by talking about my two main assumptions. The first assumption is that you have previously identified your expectations for the performance, your expectations for behavior. And the second assumption was that when you're going to go have this very difficult conversation, that your motive is to help the employee, that you really care and that they get that message loud and clear that you care. And that was the subject of my previous video, was just the importance of caring and why that matters, both in preparation for the conversation and then after the conversation. And now I want to talk a little bit more about behavior. That's really what you want to focus on when you have these conversations, because that's what they can change. Don't go in there talking about personality, because they are who they are, and that's not going to change. And I would tell you to stay away from attitudes as well. There's two attitudes we really care about, and I'll make a video sometime in the future about what those are and how to use those attitudes. But for now, stick with behavior. What is it they are doing that for whatever reason is not acceptable? How are they performing that is not meeting expectations? And you want to get to the place where in the conversation they help you understand why they're behaving that way or why they're performing that way. Because when you get to that place where they're telling you why they're doing the things they're doing, then you can partner with them to come up with solutions to help them change that behavior and help them improve that performance. And that's a real powerful platform. When you're partnering with them, where you've got skin in the game and you're saying, well, here's what I'm willing to do to help. Now, what would you be willing to do to help change this behavior and improve this performance? And now it's the two of you working together. Much more effective than dumping on the employee and saying, this is what you're doing that's not working, and you better change that, and unless you change this, here's what's going to happen. That's not management. That's a threat. That's the abdication of management. That's dumping, and that's not very effective at all. So focus on changeable behaviors. Come with an attitude that you're going to help, that you really care. Be fair. And next time I'll talk about how to follow this up with documentation, because I think that's really important too. All right, as always, I'd love to hear your comments or your thoughts. Please leave them at the end of this blog post. Hope your day is as beautiful where you are as it is here in Reno, Nevada. Have a good one.